my name is Tan Yizhe.
Hi, I'm Wong Jiyuan.
Hi, my name is Tan Chibun.
Guys, I think the weather has amazing market. Yeah, do you want to buy a fan for me?
Yeah, actually think it has the budget for people.
But don't we already have the curtain in our class?
But it isn't doing very much. True, I mean it isn't having much.
What do you expect us to do that this magically produce a fan out of nowhere?
How about let's do an innovation towards the curtain on a budget to maximize their efficiency?
A constant rise in temperature all around the world can be observed. This phenomena causes discomfort for students studying due to the excessively hot weather. On the other hand, a common occurrence is the reflection of sunlight towards the whiteboard, thus causing complications in the studying process. Conducted in classes as students face the difficulty of seeing objects wrote on the whiteboard. Construction, industrialization, and vehicles contribute to noise pollution. These irritating elements pose as a distraction to students and causes the efficiency of studying to be reduced.
In the latest school meeting, the teachers have proposed an issue of the learning environment in the school. They believe that the recent heat surge and the loudness of the traffic is disrupting the school. According to past surveys, there will be loud noise from construction and traffic in the afternoon. To combat this, the school has decided to install curtains, where average curtains will block the airways in the classroom. So we, the innovative fairies, had the idea of our little fairy curtain. What function does this curtain have? First of all, its main usage is to reduce the noises from outside. Besides that, it can improve the airflow and cause the temperature to drop. Last but not least, it can increase the privacy and it can prevent light refraction.
This little magic curtain was made out by plastic and a layer of acoustic foam. The reason why we chose plastic as the main material is because it is plentiful and for recycle purposes. Besides that, we chose foam as it is affordable for everyone. Thank you.
Since our group has decided to use plastic and acoustic foam as the two main materials, our group will use recycled plastic, thus reducing the cost to near zero. On the other hand, acoustic foam costs an average amount of 20 ringgit, thus our total cost will be estimated at around 20 ringgit.